Hello, in this week's video we're looking at Google Slides again, and just a couple of features I wanted to share with you. So I'm just going to correct that spelling. Right. So I've done a previous video, we've looked at a number of tips for using Google Slides, but I thought I should feature a bit more on the presenter view. So recently they made some changes to presenter view. So for those of you not familiar, presenter view, let's just go through it. So you click on presenter view, and then this is what you can see, and you can control your slides from there by clicking next. Obviously your audience would see this, it would just be you who are seeing it. Your speaker notes can appear, and if you go to audience tools, it provides a code where your audience from their own devices can ask questions. So just to show you what that looks like, if I swap to a different browser, let's bring up a new instance of Chrome. I can start to add questions. So here I am as a member of the audience. And I have a choice to either ask as myself or anonymously, which is great for students who maybe aren't so keen to be asking a question, and for their teacher or for their peers to know that they're asking that question. So that's quite a nice feature. They can hit submit, and other people can see the question and they can either upvote it or downvote it, so you can see which question is the most popular. So if I go back then, if I just minimize that window, come back into my presentation, bring the presenter view block forward. I'm just trying to juggle this around a bit. There we go. I can see the question appear, and I can choose to share that with my audience, or I can just answer it verbally at the end. So if I click on the present, you can see the question appears up there and who asked it, if that's, and I can hide that as well. So a great way for you to continue your presentation whilst receiving questions from your audience, and as I say, a bit of engagement. The audience can also vote on which questions they like. So that's one aspect of using presenter view. Another aspect, and the one I wanted to highlight, which was recently introduced, was the closed captions. So if you click on closed captions, it's an accessibility tool that captures what you're saying and brings it up on the screen. So if you've got someone who maybe's got a hearing impairment, it's very accurate. As you can see, it's bringing up all of what I'm saying at the bottom of the screen there. So they have a couple of tips for making the most of presenter view within Google Slides. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, please remember to subscribe to the channel and join me again soon for more EdTech videos. Thanks for watching.